we will see next chapter, that is the basics or basis of Srotasa. In that we'll see the Srotasas. This is actually third video. In that we'll see basis of Srotasa. This is the third point of Kriyasharir syllabus as per the NCISM norms. Myself, Dr Arvind Paikrao, Professor HOD, Department of Kriyasharir, Aryan Kapoor Memorial Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. We'll see the definition of Srutasa. We'll go one by one like that. What is the definition of Srutasa? According to Acharya Susruta, they said Sravanat Srotansi. In that, they said there is some kind of secretion, it will be there. Actually, entire our body will have, it means living body will have, we understand with there will be some kind of always secretion at some kind of, it means metabolism, it will be going on. For that there will be particular things, it will be happen, and it means everything we understand with that as per it means physiology, or it means medical science. We understand with that means there is always certain kind of enzymes, hormones, secretion, we can understand like that. So the Srutasas, as per the Ayurvedic point of view, they said there is a certain kind of a secretion, it will be there from somewhere like that. So that is the reason Sravanath Srutansi, they said Acharya Susruta, Acharya Charka, sorry. Uh, then next it is Susruta, they said Khani Srotansi. Means kha word it is used for, it means there is some kind of space, some kind of cavity. Where cavity it can understand with there is some kind of, it means have to be happen, we can understand with. It means cavity wherever it is situated, there will be always some kind of, it means communication in between two molecule, two element like that we can understand with. That is the reason they said Khani Srotansi. Acharya Susruta is very, it means great. He is always find some practical point of aspect of particular concept like that. So in that way we understand with this Sravanath Srotansi. Then we'll see next definition. Mulat Khadantar Dehe Prasut Tva Abhivahiyat Srotsasa Tad Iti Vigyayam Siradhamni Varjitam. This Acharya Susruta, they said like that there is a means uh, wherever the Srutasas are defined as which originate from the vacant space spread throughout the body, which transport the material are to be understood as Srutasa. They said like that. And part of this Siradhamni, they will have, it means Siradhamni should be, it means not include in this Srutasa, they said like that. That is some we understand with where is wherever the secretion it will be there. In that way we understand that Srotasas are to be defined in that way. Then next Srotansi Khalu Parinam Apadyamananam Dhatunam Abhivahiनी Bhavanti Ayanarthena. They said like that there is always, it means cell growth, cell repair, and certain, it means energy it will be developed to sustain longevity and to have exchange of certain molecules, certain malas, and there will be metabolism, it will be going on in every cell. And because of that there will be happening of, it means transporting system, that can be, it means defined under the Srotasa like that. Then Charyakyamanstan, they said Swadhatu Samavarnani Vrittastulani Anunicha Srotansi Dirghani Akurtya Pratansa Drushanicha. It means they are, it means like creepers plant. They are situated in an entire body like that, and while they are situating in our body, they will have a particular organ system will have particular color, and they will have some size like that, Vrutta and Stool, Anu accordingly. Where it is needed round form, they will have round form. Where it is needed a somewhat broader form, they will have some border. And where is will have some minute, and it means like that they will have some that it means diagrammatic presentation, yeah, frame we can say like that. There is a morphological formality of this Srotasa. Then what are the synonyms of Srotasa? We will see like that. There is a few synonyms. Synonyms why it is required to understand that Ayurveda, it means studied in Sanskrit scripture, or it can be understand in Sanskrit scripture. Somewhere it means our Acharya, they have utilized a particular word to, it means, adjust with that phrase and all. For that, it is important to understand the synonyms. So they said Srutansi, Sira, Dhamanya, रसायन्या रसवाहिन्या नाड्या पंथान मार्गाः शरीर छिद्राणि संवृतानि स्थानानि आशया निकेता चेति शरीर धात्व अवकाशानां लक्षानां नामानि भवन्ति. These are the, it means, synonyms. There is no need to go in detail. Actually, I at once told like that there is a, it means why these synonyms are important, because the scriptures are written where our acharya have utilized particular word in somewhere and particular word in somewhere like that. To understand this all scripture, these are the important one to understand this. Means this word is used for particular srotas and all, particular in the sense for the srotasa only, like that it is. Then we'll see types of srotasa. Actually, the entire body will have all the srotasas. They said like that yavanto purusha murtimanta bhava विशेष तावंत एवास्मिन् स्रोतस् प्रकार विशेष. It means entire body wherever the, it means, bhav. In the sense where the communicating system it is there to have certain sustain whatever it may be, there is communication in between everything like that. uh, Wherever the communication is needed, all where the body, it means, will have the srotasas. And स्रोतस्य खलु परिणामम् अपद्यमानानां धातूनाम् अविवाहिनी भवन्ति अयनार्थेन. It is said like that there is always going to communication, and because of that there will be, it means, always having a metabolism and some growth, some repair, and some body element to, it means, excrete. In that way they will have ayanarthin, they have used that word. Then we'll see there should be bahya srutas and abhyantar srutas. Bahya srutas, they said there are 9, we can say like that. It means Srutansi Nasiki, Karno, Netre, Payasya, Mehanam, Sthanu, Raktapath Cheti, Narinam Adhikam Trayam, they said. Sthan 2 and Raktapat. It means Raktapat means Garbhashay and all. These are the 3 are, it means, more. Above it is that are, it means, almost 7, I think. Nasike 2, Karna 2, 4, Netra 2, 6, Mehanam, we can say 7 these are. And Asya, so we can understand this is, it means, whatever it means number. In another word, Sapta, they said like that, Nava Mahanti Chidrani, Sapta Shirasi, Dvayadha. These are, if you look, these are the 9. Whatever this number is, you, it means, make in your mind like that. Then Abhyantar Srutasas are there. Pran Udak, Anna, Ras, Rakta, Mos, Med, Asti, Majja, Shukra, Purish, Swed, Vahiniti. They said by Charak in Vimansthan. Acharya Charak, they said it. These are actually 13, maybe like that. You know, there is Pran, Udak, Anna, these 3. Sapta Mahabhuta, these are Sapta Dhatu, these are 7. 7 plus 3, that will be, it means 10. And Mutra Purish Swed, that will be that, this will be 3. Then these are the 13 Srotasa said by the Acharya Charak. Then Acharya Susruta, they said Prana Udak, Udak Ras Rakta Mas Med Asti, Ras Rakta Mas Med मूत्र पुरुष शुक्र अर्थ वाहिनी एषा अधिकारा एकेषु बहुनि एतेषां विशेषा बहवः. They said like that pran, anna, udak, these three are common. Then ras, rakta, mos, med, these are the also common to Acharya Charaka. Acharya Susruta didn't tell about asthi and majja. They said mutra purish, and afterward they said shukra. And Artha didn't told by it, means Acharya Charaka. These are some specification in between two Acharyas. Then we'll see the one by one Srotasas. In that we'll see Pranavaha Srotas. Pranavaha Srotas, in that we'll see Pranavaha Srotas, in that तत्र प्राणवाहानां स्रोतसां हृदय मूलं महास्रोतस्य. They said like that. According to Susruta, they said pranavaya dvay tayar moolam hridaya rasvahinya chadhamanya. And that we understand with they have, it means commonness in Susruta, like that they always use the word pranavaya dvay. And Charak, they, it means will have some different like that. But both have, it means, used the almost same location and Moolasthana, like that. Radhay, it is Moolasthana of Pranavaha Srotas, and Mahasrotas is also considered according to Charak. And according to Susruta, they said Radhayam Rasvahinya Chadhamanya. In that, in this diagram there will be no Radhay actually, but Radhay, it is Mool Sthan. Then Mahasrotas we understand with, there will be, it means exchange of respiratory gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Oxygen will be, it means, taken from the environment, and carbon dioxide will be exhaled in the form of vayu, like that, in the form of, it means, we can understand with. Then we'll see next Udakvaha Srotas. Udakvaha Srotas, in that Udakvahanam Srotasam Talu Moolam Klom Cha. Udakvahe Dve Tvair Moolam Talu Klom. Talu, in the sense, it means there is a we can say like that throat, in that vulva, this one, it means dryness of throat, it will be happen because of having means water desireness, like that, liquid wanted to drink, like that. For that there will be thirstiness always felt over the throat. That is the reason Talu Moolam, they said. But Klom, this word again, there will be having some, it means Acharyas having some different opinion on the Klom. So I will not, it means, explain in detail about what it has to, it means, again have some controversies. Will, it means, on the Klom, that is what we I will not explore over here. So next it is Annavaha Srotas. Annavahanam Srotasam Amashe Moolam Vam Parsham Cha, they said like that. Annavahedvaya Tayar Moolam Amashe Annavahanya Cha Dhamanya, they said. So in that way we understand with, there is a Annavaha Srotas, and there is a Moolasthana is Amashe. Amashe, in the sense stomach, and Vam Parshvam, they said like that. If you anatomically see the Annavaha Srotas in this GI tract, it will be reside on left side only. That is, that means entire major part of this GI tract, it will be reside on it means left side. That is the reason they said Vam Parshvam. You look at this, all acharyas will have some kind of, it means research over it, and they have not, it means, written simply like that. Modern science, they will they should have to understand this concept, because our acharyas, they have delivered the things without, it means, having any research. They have not written the things. That is the reason I want to, it means, share this opinion, how they, our acharya, they have been, it means, very how much specified about this kind of writing and all. So next it is Annamaya Tairmulam Amashe Annamahanya Dhamanya, they said by Acharya Susruta. The Annamaya Dve word always used by Acharya Susruta, and there also they said Amashe and Annavahinya Dhamanya. These are the Mool Sthana of Annava Srutas. Next we'll see the Rasava Srutas. Rasavahanam Srutasam Radhaya Moolam Dasha Cha Dhamanya. And according to Susruta, they said Rasavadve, Tayurmulam Radhayam, Rasavahinya Chadhamanya. In that way, they said similar thing like that. Acharya Charak also said there is a Radha is a Moolasthan of Rasava Srutas, and Dashadhamanya also it will be there. In similar way, Acharya Susruta also said Rasa Radhayam is Moolasthan. Moola, it means site of Rasava Srutas, and Rasavahinya Dhamanya, they say. It means this if you look over the what is the relation between, it means, location, it is important, and only because of this one Rasava Pradoshish Vikar, in that also we find Radha, it is very much important. And if pathologically we understand with this one, if rasa vikruti, if it is there, there is a possibility to have, it means, heart diseases like that. I will explain in somewhere like that. You understand with there is a relation between, it means what, um, there is a relation between rasa and rasa dhatu and radha, and because of that, if impurities formed in rasa dhatu, there will be definitely, certainly there will be having diseases of uh, heart heart diseases. Next we'll see the raktava srutas, shonit vahanam srutasam ekrit milam plihach, they said charak vimanstan. In that they said like that, there will be having, it means, ekrut and pliha. These are the pliha in the sense spleen. We can say spleen as a graveyard, and ekrut we understand there is having, it means, formation. Initially in the beginning of our life, liver is only organ where the formation of blood have been taken place. That is the reason our acharya, they said ekrut is it means site for the raktavastrutas. Acharya Susrut also said raktavadvait vair mulam ekrut plinno raktavahinya chadhamanya. Raktavahinya chadhamanya, he Acharya Susruta said additional this one. Next, that is Mansva Srutas, in that Mansvahanam Srutasam Snayu Mulam Tokcha. There is, it means, mool site for the Mansva Srutasa is Snayu and Twacha. According to Susruta also, they said Masvedvet where Mulam Snayu and Twacha. We can understand, it means, with this one. Where the tendons started and all, we understand with these are the snayus, and where the, it means, all muscles will get, it means, having inserted, and it means originated like that. That may be the reason they acharya they said like that. Masvas Krutasas Mul are Snayu and Twacha also. Then Medva Srutas, we see Medvahanam Srutasam Roku Mulam Upavanam cha Medvahedve Tayar Mulam Katti Vrukucha. In that Medva Srutasam Roku Mulam Upavanam cha, we say like that. This is, it means, we understand why they have Vapavanam, they said, and Vapavanam means momentum, we understand with, and Vrukumul, we there will be fat, it will be deposited near around kidney is the organ where, it means, it is tie out by, it means, fat, and another reason vapavanam, they said vapavanam, this is fatty, it means momentum, we can understand with that is also the part of Medho Srutas. And if you look over that means this one, Acharya said these are that means very true, uh, and because of that these are the two locations of Med Dhatu, BC, like that. Next it is Astivah Srutas. Astivah Srutas only said by Acharya Charak, and they said Astivanam Srutasam Medo Moolam Jagnam Cha. Med, it means adipocyte. This will be, it means location of this one. And Jaganam. Jaganam means there is a, it means better region we can see. That is the where the it means we can understand with. Next we will see Majjava Srutas. Majjavanam Srutasam Astini Moolam Sandhayacha. They said Astini Moolam. That means we can say there is a bone marrow, we can say like that. And Sandhaya means where the, it means red bone marrow, particularly we can understand with this one, where it is situated in joint part, or Majjava Srutas are situated in that means root of bone, where the joint should have to understand with. So this also not said by Acharya Susruta. Shukravastrutas will say Shukravanam Srutasam Rushno Moolam Shefancha. Shukravaya Deve Tayar Moolam Stano Rushno Cha. They said like that. According to Charak, they said Vrushno Moolam Shefascha. Vrushno means testis, and Shef, it means penis, we can say like that. Then Acharya Susrut, they have added it means Thano in place of shape. Stano, they said like that. And another word they have used, the testis. These are the, it means localized, or we can say that these are the location of Shukra Dhatu as per their Srotasas are concerned. Then we'll see the Arthavastrutas. This Arthavastrutas only said by Acharya Susruta. They said Arthavaya Tayar Moolam Garbhashaya Arthavahinya Chadhamanya. Garbhashaya and Arthavahi Dhamanya. They said Garbhashaya in the uterus, Arthavahi and the arteries, we can see how the, it means of which are supplying toward the female reproductive system, we can say like that. Then we'll see the Mutravah Srotas. Mutravah Srotas, in that we'll see again Mutravahanam Srotasam Basti Mulam Vangshanucha, like that they said. Mutravah Tayar Mulam Basti Medramcha. The location of, means site of Mutravah Srotas, this Basti Mulam. Basti Mulam, in this we can understand with there is having Basti in the sense bladder, and Vrakko, these are our Vangshano, they said like that according to Charakimasta. And according to Susruta, they said Basti Medramcha. Basti, that is bladder, and Medra, that is, you can say urethra. This is the, it means Mutravastrutas locations, and this is the diagram. Means next we will see Purishvastrutas. Purishvastrutas, in that Purishvanam Srutasam Pakvashaya Moolam Sulgudam cha. They said by Acharya. This one said by Acharya Charak in Vimanstan. Acharya Susruta, they said Purushvaya Dve Tayar Moolam Pakvashaya Gudam cha. Pakvashaya Gudam, they have both have used the same word, but Charak, they have used the word Stulgud, that is the means difference in between. Stulgud, in the sense we can say there is a sigmoid colon and anus, this will be two parts, and Gud in the sense that is anus anal part, rectum, we can say like that. These are the two locations. Next we will see the Medho Srutas. In that Medho Srutas, we will see Medo Srotas will see Medvanam Srotasam, Medo Moolam Lom Kupascha, said by Acharya Charak. Medo Moolam, Medo Moolam, it is Mool location of Medva Srotas. And long kupascha. Long kupascha means we can say hair root follicle, hair roots, body hair root follicles. We can say these are that means in modern science also similar way we understand with the sweat glands are situated or the root of hair follicle or the skin. And medomulam we understand with this is one of the reason uh, where in fatty person we understand there will be sweating, it will be occur more than the normal person. That is the reason Swedmul they have said here. We'll stop here. Thank you for at means listening this video.